Why I like infinite banking? Has this question ever popped up in your mind that even though as an American we make hundreds of thousands of dollars in our lifetime, which sometimes even exceeds the $1 million mark, why we are still continuously worried mainly about these three things: debts, taxes, and retirement? If your answer is yes, then you must be thinking, is there a solution to it? Now, if you ask me the same question, my answer would be yes. There is a solution to it, which is why I like infinite banking. And today I'm going to explain in detail all the reasons behind my vote of confidence to the infinite banking concept. Hi, my name is Sunny Mitra. For the best infinite banking and financial advice, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when we upload new videos. So, as I was saying before, infinite banking can solve the majority of the money problem in most of people's lives. The reason I did not say that it's good for everybody is simply because it is not. Simply put, you may not need it for so many reasons, like you have millions of dollars and you also have the gambling instinct. You are a risk taker. You may like the stock market. Words like safety and security don't excite you as much as getting a kick out of a roller coaster ride from your investments in the market. In other words, if you do not believe in infinite banking concept, then it is not for you. But if someone is ready to look around, study, do some research and educate themselves, then it might prove to be the best thing that happened in their life as far as money is concerned. But that's a different story. Today I'll talk more about myself and answer this question: why I like it so much, why I love the infinite banking concept, why I think that a dividend paying whole life insurance policy from a mutual insurance company can solve a lot of money problem in our life, like having too much of debt, not having enough savings, paying too much in taxes, retirement uncertainties, to name a few. So now that you know the reason as to why I like infinite banking, let's talk about how I got to this point and witnessing regularly firsthand how it is solving money problem in so many people's lives. If you happen to watch my previous videos, by now you must know that I'm coming from a banking background. I used to be a banker for 10 long years, and also I have been associated with the insurance and financial world for another 20 years. And even though I was giving recommendations to people about their banking needs, their insurance needs and all that, I always felt like kind of a hollowness deep inside my heart. For example, when I was an Allstate agent in 2003 and I was selling home, auto, life, business insurance, everything you may think of concerning insurance. But here's the sad part. Every time I sold someone an auto insurance or a homeowner's insurance, I would ask myself, what if I did not sell it to this individual? What would have happened to them? Will they still get this auto insurance from somewhere else? And the answer that I found was quite surprising, which was yes. Now, you might laugh at it and say, it is obvious, Sonny. If you don't sell me an auto insurance, as long as I own a car, I'll have to buy it from somewhere else. And then you might continue. So, why does it make you sad, Sonny? What is so unique and different about this experience? And here is the reason. After every sale, I felt like a fool. I felt like a machine. It was as if a robot was repeating its same monotonous job every day for making some money. But he was not changing anything in anybody's life. He was not teaching his customers about what is right and what is wrong. He was not giving them anything new that the other insurance agent couldn't. And right there I sensed failure. Because one thing that I always wanted in my life, which gives me the highest amount of joy and fulfillment, is to learn new things from others and also share my wisdom with the world. One of the biggest reasons that I came to this country was to learn more. and now after so many years, all I was doing is selling home and auto insurance. Life felt like a big failure from my own perspective. I was so much disaligned from the vision and mission of my life. And then in 2010, when I discovered the infinite banking concept and found out that two things, taxes and interest, are killing our dream of achieving our financial freedom more than anything else, my life changed overnight. I learned that just by recapturing all the interest which we are paying to our creditors, a person can be so much ahead in their life financially. And so, right there, my whole entity said, I found the purpose of my life. From now onwards, I'm going to take this idea to the masses, and if I can spread this idea to 10,000 people, my life will feel validated. In other words, I'll do it till I die. So my question to you is, will you help me in this journey? All I'm asking of you is learn about infinite banking, do some research, read the book by Mr. Nelson Nash, and spread the word around. We need to take it to hundreds of thousands of people to spread this word, because banks and Wall Street are not going to let them know, simply because it is against their best interest. For that reason, we need to be proactive and teach it to others. So that's about it for today. Feel free to contact me, ask me any questions that you may have. In fact, if you want, leave me a comment below with your experiences and relationship with money. Tell me one thing that in your life you are struggling with the most at this point. It could be about how to save some money, pay off your debts, create a source of passive income for life. Whatever struggle you are facing right now, share it with us. And like they say, when you brainstorm about a problem, your chances increase multifold to get a solution. If you like this video, let us know by liking it and leaving a comment for us. Make sure you share it with a friend and subscribe to our channel. And remember to own your tomorrow by converting liabilities into assets.